If your career path does not make sense, believe me, I have been there. If your career path does not make sense at this point in time, ask yourself, what can I do each and every day for my career path to make sense? What can I do for productivity, for results, for transformation, a positive change? What can I do that if I do this one thing, my purpose can unlock, my purpose can be revealed. I can discover my hidden potential and put that into practicality so that my life can be filled with fulfillment, joy, happiness. Do what you love doing, what you are good at. Speak your knowledge that you know a lot about. Simply get to love doing what you are doing. Your life will become so much meaningful. And this works through and through. Believe me, it works like the bomb.